Hello. I have a challenge from J.E. Cuber. So he challenged me to solve all of the keychain cubes I unboxed in my previous video in under 1:30. I average around under 25 seconds, so this shouldn't be too difficult for me, but it is a relay and these are very small cubes, so I don't know what will happen. I have not attempted this before, so let's see how this goes. I will have the scrambles in the description if you want to follow along. Alright, so I have failed the challenge, but I will attempt again. Attempt 2. So, I believe this counts. I got exactly 130. And, yeah. See you guys in the next video.